Good morning. It's November 26, 2023. It's Sunday. And ito ang ating view for this morning. Super lamig, napakalamig ng temperature dahil nasa -7 to -14 ang ating temperature for this morning with a wind chill of -21. -21 pa lang naman. Kaya lang napakaganda ng view. Kaya dito lang ako sa loob ng bahay, magbi-video sa may bintana. Tingnan natin ang usok mula sa chimney. Ayun. Mas mabilis dahil mahangin. Mahangin. Kaya ayun. Dito rin from the school. Ganun po pagka malamig. Malakas ang usok. And yan po ang ating video for today. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Have a wonderful day. And have a great day. Amazing morning, everyone. Magandang buhay.